That's my salad right there. My tomato, my cucumber, my avocado, and my lettuce. See that? And over here, you have my big breakfast. You have fried plantain, fried eggs, bacon, my jalapeno, and one bread. And over there, that's my orange juice. So I'm gonna have a breakfast now because I'm going to work. So I'm just making a fast and easy, nice breakfast. So, you see that we're not only making food, big food, we're making breakfast light, okay? See you soon. You're gonna see me eating my breakfast before I go to work. So yes, my people, tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. Now I'm having my breakfast. First thing I like